Hello everyone, very good morning and welcome to the ABAP for functional class where we are learning about ABAP part with respect to the functional people, like whatever the required syntax which we used mostly in the writing the code, so that we will be able to easily read and understand and debug the code. So this is our agenda. So in today's session we are going to learn all this topic, but okay, so we were learning about the OpenSQL. We have seen how to fetch the data from the table. Let me go there. /n SE38, and this is the program number 5, right? So this is the program, and here I'm going to create the one more program. So if you want, you can copy the program also to the new program number 6. I like this. Just a moment. Yeah. So we can give like this and click on this copy button and click on this copy button. Okay, if you want, you can select all these things or just leave it, click on this copy button. And here, see, I'm every time saving into the local object, right? If you will give the productive package, it will ask you to save in the transport request. So package, how you can create the package. So if you don't know the transaction, go to SAT. Like if you don't know how to create the program, if you don't know how to create the function, means if you don't know where to create the program, where to create the function module, where to create the package, if you don't know anything, SAT is the transaction. Single place to create anything. However, for package also we create from this SAT only. So creating one package ZAAF ABAP for functional. Okay, so one package I will create this package. This is my productive package. That means this package we can send from a development system to quality and from quality to production. Okay, so package for ABAP for functional class. So see, when I have selected, so when I'm creating the package, it is asking me a transport request. Okay, so that's fine, because package also should be created within the transport request only, so that it can be transported, right? So click on this save button and your package is now got created. Package need not to be activated. ZAFF, that is, and now we can use this package over here. So going to copy this program number 5 to program number 6, then click on this copy button and click on this copy and give that package over here. Let's suppose my requirement is to send this program from development to quality, quality to production. So we need to put into productive package like this, not into the local object. Earlier I was creating as a local object. So there the package was coming like $TMP. $TMP means temporary package, just it will be saved locally. It cannot move into further environment. So here, if you want to transport your program, you have to give the package and then click on the save button. It will ask you to give the transport request. Okay, so this transport request will give, which is already coming, and that's it. Okay, fine. So select query we have seen. Now let's suppose if you this is the simple select query with the where condition, right? With the or condition also we have seen, with the and condition also we have seen, right? Now let's suppose if you want to put the inner join, correct? So how you can put the inner join? So I want to put let's put it like this. Okay, so I want to put the inner join between EKKO table and EKPO table. So EKKO table is the table for purchase order header. So let's go to the SE16N transaction and EKKO. It is the table for purchasing document header table, right? Where we can get the customer information, all this, sender info, vendor information, and our address, right? So all these information, purchasing document, company code, document category, document type, these are the stuff is there. EKKO. This is the header table, main table. Okay. And we have one another table called EKPO table. This is the purchase order document item, right? So here for one header, we will be having the multiple items, right? You can see that. And now if you run this one, see, so for this document, this is the material number, right? For this purchase order, this is the material number. Like that, for this purchase order, there are two item, right? So my requirement is what? And that I want to fetch some data from EKKO table. Let's suppose I want to fetch some purchase order, this one. So control and just select this, and corresponding to this purchase order, I want to get the purchase order item, right? So what I will do, I will go to EKPO, press enter, and here I will paste those records, right? Click on this button and press F8. So for that particular purchase document, here you can see that purchase order item, it is showing. If more than one item will be there, that also it will be shown, because this is the table for purchasing document item, right? So if you want to see the detail from EKKO and EKPO together, right, we can use the inner join, right? We can use the inner join. So I'm having some example data. Just give me a moment. I'm finding those data. I will quickly explain you. Inner join, left outer join, right outer join, these things. Okay, it will be helpful. So here, example data. Fine. Okay, I'm not able to find that. I will see that one. Maybe I will quickly show you over here. You will be having idea that what is the inner join, what is the left outer join, and what is the right outer join. How many of you already know this concept? So let's suppose from EKQ, this is the purchase order header, right? This is the EBELN, means purchase order from the EKQ, right? And let's take some more field from EKQ. So purchase order, then the company code is bookers, and then maybe one more field I will take, the created on or the vendor information. All right. And from EKPO table, I will be having EBELN, EBELP, or maybe one more field over here, Matner. All right. So one field must be common in order to have the join, at least one field, okay, must be common, so that we can put the join on those. So 1, 2, 3, and here the bookers, you are having DE10 and DE20 and DE30. So this is some German, let's suppose this is some German company code. And here the vendors, we are having others enterprises, maybe some another, some Tata Steel, TS, or some Reliance, something like that. And here also I'm putting this value. I'm giving the 4. Here you can see that here